One great feature of WorshipTools is that all your services, songs, people, etc. are saved in the cloud or internet. As long as you have access to a reliable network connection, all of your apps are syncing with one another no matter where you are or what device you log in with. Whether you're preparing slides in Presenter, building out your service order in Planning, or editing your songs in Charts, your changes are being saved in the cloud and synced to your other apps and devices through the cloud. That means you could install Presenter on both your home and church computers, and any edits that you make to the service presentation at home will automatically be waiting for you on the church computer when you show up on Sunday. If 2 or more computers are logged into Presenter at the same time with WorshipTools Pro Plus, any changes being made on the first computer would sync to the others in real time. Services are also synced across the WorshipTools Charts and Planning apps, so you can start creating services in any of these 3 apps and see those changes across all apps. Lastly, because WorshipTools is a team resource, changes to the service will sync to your volunteers' devices as well, making sure that everyone stays on the same page when it comes to your church services. Cloud sync happens automatically within your WorshipTools account, so you don't really need to give it a second thought. Thanks to Cloud Sync, you don't need to email files or core charts to your team, and you don't need to export your presentations to a thumb drive and remember to pack it in your bag for Sunday. So if you haven't already done so, simplify your church prep and planning with WorshipTools Cloud Sync and other great features.